With the announcement of Jimmy Olsen's series called The People vs. Gorilla Grodd, I tasked myself to make Gorilla Grodd and Jimmy Olsen in under 24 hours. Let's do it.
Who dares speak to me this way? I do. Gorilla Grodd!
Now, shout out to Happy Meal 3D for the head sculpt of Jimmy Olsen. I was gonna go with the re-sculpt version until I seen the head sculpt. I was like, I had to. It was like $8 online. Bought it. I'm just on DeviantArt right now looking for a good body to put the head onto. I knew I wouldn't like a business attire for this because these are gonna be of course, in a courtroom. By the way, guys, I know we don't have many plot reveals of the show, but tell me down in the comments below, would you guys rather see Wally West or Barry Allen appear in the show? Now, it's not confirmed for any of them to appear at all, but if it was an either or you guys had to pick, which one would you pick? Personally, me, I want to see my boy Barry Allen in action. I'm just Team Barry all the way. I don't know the hype for Wally, man. Maybe I'm lost on the sauce, man. Moving on to Gorilla Grodd. The official DCU Gorilla Grodd has not leaked, so for this, I wanted to go with a restyle of a famous Gorilla Grodd I grew up with, which was the Injustice 2. His design could be tuned up a little bit, so I did just that. I found the model on DeviantArt, and I wanted to go with that more modern look he has with the red cape and the gold attire, instead of that just battle-worn outfit that he has in Injustice 2. I can say after finishing this Gorilla Grodd model, this was probably the hardest rig to ever do in Mixamo, to even get like decent. Like the head looks terrible on the rigging. I don't know what it is. It just probably can't map this model's head. It's crazy, but we got it. We got it to a semi decent rig. Anyways, that is how I made the People versus Gorilla Grodd in under 24 hours. I cannot wait for the show to come out. And if you guys want to rock these avatars for yourself, these will of course be in the description down below. Just go check there for yourself. I got a lot of content cooking. Don't blink.